Good afternoon. My name is Charles Warner. I'm the Engineering Design and Drafting Instructor here at Swofford Career Center. And I would like to tell you a little bit about what we're doing both in Level 1 of the class, which is in the mornings, and in Level 2 of the class. So in Level 1, these students don't know anything about engineering drawing. So we're starting off with the basics, like engineers have done for hundreds of years, but we're doing it with pencil and paper. So these drawings that you see on the board are an example of what we call orthographic projection. It sounds like a fancy term, but it's the kind of thing that is very common in engineering. We're also doing these pictorial drawings called isometrics, and we're using only pencil and paper. So by starting off with pencil and paper, we're able to learn the basics of how engineering drafting is done. And by setting the basics in place, then when we move into doing instruments and using the computers in AutoCAD, we're only learning the software at that point. So the learning curve with AutoCAD will be much shorter. So as soon as we finish this portion of the class that involves pencil and paper, we're going to move on to the computers and spend the rest of the class on computers. If your student is in Level 2 of my class, then we are reviewing, because most of these students have been absent from me for about a year. So once we get through with a quick review, we're going to start doing three-dimensional design and modeling, which will be brand new for these students. And our AutoCAD software is able to write a file that can be used on a 3D printer. So we'll be also using the 3D printers in the classroom to actually take objects from the imagination of these students and turn it into something they can hold in their hand. Thank you very much.